Let's talk about some ways that we can use the spend and get this month. This is the mini deco set. It comes with 4 papers, 2 that are double-sided, 2 cardstocks, and 1 journal card, 5 die cuts, 1 bow, 2 envelopes, and a tiny sticker sheet. And that's what comes in the mini deco kit for the spend and get for this month. You can see that I have already used this as a dashboard with the journal card, a die cut, and some of the colored paper. But let's see what we can actually do that has to do with traveling with what I have left. The piece of basic cardstock, the pattern papers, a couple of die cuts, maybe the bow, and the sticker sheet. And we're gonna just create some things. I'm also going to use the storyteller insert, which is great for scrapbooking journals, and some extra stickers that I have laying around the house, as well as some markers. We're gonna put this all together inside of our storyteller insert. I'm going to start by giving the page a basic layout. I'm just going to use a piece of the pattern paper, and I'm going to just glue directly onto the insert and then cut around it. It just makes it way easier. I don't have to worry about getting glue all over, and I know I'm going to cover the whole piece of paper up anyway, so this will be an easy way for me to be able to do that. The next thing I'm going to do is just grab a little piece of scrap paper that I had laying around from the kit that I'd already used, and I'm going to add that for a little pop of color on the side. Again, just measuring it out, and then I'm going to cut it with the scissors once I get it glued down onto the piece of paper. Really simple and easy to do. Now, some of you may just throw away this particular part of the kit, but it makes a great photo mat, and that is the back side of the cardstock that has all of the items listed on it. You can definitely use it. As you can see here, I'm trying to figure out something. I want to add a little touch of color on there, but I don't want to overpower it, because if I want to put a picture on it later, I want to be able to have that space. So I'm kind of sorting through my scraps. This is pretty much what scrapbooking is like for me, just sorting through the scraps, and I love to be able to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and tear this piece of paper, and it happens to be the exact size, so I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right on there, and then I'm gonna be able to attach that all to the piece of paper. The next thing you're going to see me do is add the elements. So I'm going to go ahead and use the popsicle die cut to add a little pop of color in the corner. And then I'm going to add some of those fun stickers. So as you watch, I'm going to go ahead and add them in strategic places so that I still have room to write. I can put a small little title on there, and then have the ability to have all these fun elements right here on my scrapbook page. And that, my friends, is what you can do with the spend and get and the storyteller insert.